Making a two-layer balloon is similar to making a regular stuffed balloon. There's only one difference, though. First, you twist the inner balloon, and then you put it in the outer balloon. Keep on pushing it in if it gets you a little bit of trouble. Now, now try to blow up the outer balloon. Stretch it. Try to push the inner balloon inside the outer balloon. Now blow up the inner balloon. Now deflate both of them. Now only blow up the inner balloon. Now tie. Of course you can make it any size that you want. And ta-da! Here's a two-layer balloon. And here's a single-layer balloon for comparison for the sound. See the difference? Ta-da!